Fans of 1000 Sisters have seen Tammy Slaton go through a lot over the years, from her early struggles with obesity and health complications to her emotional ups and downs with love. After losing her husband Caleb Willingham, viewers were heartbroken for her and hoped she'd take time to heal. But now, Tammy's new rumored relationship with Andrea Dalton has many fans raising eyebrows. From the outside, it might look like Tammy has found happiness again, but people close to the situation aren't so sure. There are whispers that Andrea's past is filled with red flags, criminal issues, messy relationship drama, and manipulative tendencies that could drag Tammy down a dark path. Let's dig deeper into why this relationship might not be the fairy tale it seems and how Tammy could be walking straight into emotional chaos. Tammy Slaton's love life has always been under public scrutiny. Her marriage to Caleb was a major storyline on 1000 Sisters, especially since it blossomed while they were both in rehab. The emotional bond between them gave fans hope that Tammy was finally finding someone who loved her for who she was. But tragedy struck when Caleb passed away, leaving Tammy devastated and struggling to rebuild her life. In the months that followed, fans saw glimpses of her new journey, weight loss, self-care, and newfound independence. So, when rumors began swirling about a new woman in Tammy's life named Andrea, the internet immediately reacted. At first, many celebrated Tammy's right to move on and find love again. But the more fans learned about Andrea Dalton, the more questions started to surface. According to online discussions and background digging by devoted followers, Andrea isn't exactly a clean slate. Several alleged records and social media posts point toward a troubled past involving legal issues and toxic relationship patterns. Some fans claim Andrea has been arrested multiple times for offenses connected to disorderly behavior or other questionable conduct. Others mention that Andrea's name has popped up in a series of small-town scandals involving jealousy, dishonesty, and even domestic disputes. None of these are confirmed by TLC or the 1000 Sisters cast, but fans are convinced there's more to Andrea than meets the eye. For Tammy, who is in a vulnerable stage of her life, this kind of partner could be a recipe for emotional disaster. Tammy's recent glow-up after her surgeries and health improvements made her a symbol of transformation and strength. Her fans admire her perseverance through grief, weight loss, and mental health challenges. However, what concerns many supporters is that Tammy tends to fall deeply and quickly into relationships. Even during her past connections, she's been accused of ignoring warning signs in favor of emotional comfort. With Andrea, those signs seem to be flashing in neon. Fans have pointed out that Andrea's social media presence often includes cryptic posts about fake friends, haters, and trust issues, suggesting she might bring unnecessary drama into Tammy's peaceful recovery phase. Insiders close to the Slaton family reportedly think Andrea's involvement might not be healthy. Amy Slaton, Tammy's sister, has always been protective of her. Sources claim Amy worries that Andrea's influence could undo the emotional progress Tammy made since her husband's passing. Andrea's behavior, from what fans have seen online, seems unpredictable, sometimes supportive and loving, other times aggressive or defensive when questioned. For someone like Tammy, who is still emotionally healing, being with a partner who carries unresolved issues could easily push her back into destructive habits. What makes things even more complicated is Andrea's alleged relationship history. Several fans who claim to know Andrea personally have come forward with stories of turbulent romances, public fights, and quick breakups. Some even accuse Andrea of manipulating her partners for personal gain or attention. While no official documents prove these claims, the sheer number of people raising the same concerns is hard to ignore. Viewers who have followed Tammy's emotional journey are worried that she is being pulled into another cycle of heartbreak. Another concerning factor is how Tammy seems to respond to criticism when it comes to Andrea. Fans noticed that Tammy often defends Andrea passionately online, clapping back at anyone who questions her girlfriend's motives. While defending your partner is natural, Tammy's defensive tone feels eerily similar to her behavior during her early relationship with Caleb, when she ignored warnings about his health and emotional instability. It's possible that Tammy, who has always sought unconditional love, is afraid to lose another connection, even if it's unhealthy. The pattern of Tammy's relationship seems to show a deep need for validation and affection, something that's understandable after years of isolation, bullying, and trauma. But the same emotional vulnerability makes her an easy target for people who might not have the best intentions. Andrea's criminal and relationship skeletons make this situation particularly troubling because Tammy deserves a peaceful, stable partner who helps her grow, not one who brings chaos. Fans worry that if Andrea's alleged history catches up to her, Tammy will once again be caught in public humiliation or heartbreak. One major concern comes from how quickly Tammy seems to have integrated Andrea into her personal space. Reports suggest the two have been spending a lot of time together, with Andrea appearing in photos and online videos that Tammy shares. While Tammy looks happy in those posts, some viewers argue that her smile hides nervousness or emotional confusion. They also point out that Tammy's energy seems different when she's around Andrea, more guarded, less free. The contrast between her radiant post-surgery confidence and her recent quiet demeanor has fans speculating that something may not be right behind the scenes. Even TLC fans who've supported Tammy through all her ups and downs are now openly saying they hope she reconsiders the direction of this relationship. Social media threads on Reddit, Facebook groups, and TikTok are filled with users expressing concern. Many are posting messages like, "Tammy deserves better," and "Andrea's not good news." It's clear that the audience who once cheered for Tammy's independence is now united in worry about her choices. There's also an underlying fear that Tammy might lose her progress if this relationship turns toxic. Emotional distress has a proven link to physical setbacks, especially for someone still managing health and lifestyle changes. Tammy's transformation required discipline, focus, and positive energy, something a turbulent relationship could easily disrupt. If Andrea's alleged behavior leads to public drama or emotional strain, Tammy could face both mental and physical regression. Supporters hope that Amy and the rest of the Slayton family are keeping a close eye on the situation. Amy, who's also been through relationship drama, understands how public exposure and personal pain can intertwine disastrously. Fans want to see Tammy surrounded by genuine love, friends who care, and family who will step in if things spiral. In the end, whether or not Andrea's past is as dark as rumored, one thing remains clear: Tammy Slayton has come too far to risk everything for a relationship that doesn't serve her growth. Her fans want her to find joy again, but not at the cost of her emotional safety. Andrea's alleged criminal and relationship skeletons suggest instability, something Tammy doesn't need while she's rebuilding her confidence and health. For now, the world is watching. As 1000 Sisters continues filming, there's a good chance Tammy's romance with Andrea will play out on screen, giving fans a closer look at the dynamic. But if the early warning signs are true, Tammy might soon realize that not all love stories are meant to heal, and sometimes, walking away is the strongest thing you can do. Tammy's journey has always been about transformation, survival, and learning to value herself. Hopefully, this chapter will be one where she recognizes her worth before it's too late. Fans are rooting for her, not just to find love, but to find peace. Because after everything she's survived, Tammy Slayton deserves a relationship that lifts her higher, not one that drags her back into darkness. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.